Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And some of you have said yesterday that they were going to get the patch updates for the release preview, which are the bug fixes that were released on Tuesday. And on Windows 11, some of you said that you've seen it and you went back and it wasn't there anymore. And it seems that Microsoft has pulled the update. So the famous update for Patch Tuesday that came through Windows 11 seems to make PCs want to just hang and doesn't restart anymore. So this is, of course, due to the latest Patch Tuesday for bug fixes. So if you look at the updates, the update that came was 5039302. This is apparently the one that is breaking some PCs. Microsoft does say that the PCs affected seem to be using some form of virtualization in their PC. So in some cases connected to some services like Azure Cloud and stuff like that. So it's not everybody. If you're not using virtualization, it probably is fine. But they pulled it just to make sure that nobody gets bitten by this. So what happens is that your PC just doesn't start or is stuck in a continuous restart loop. And the only way to get out of it, of course, is to just completely scrap everything and restart your PC from scratch. So basically, they are looking into it. They have removed it. They have to fix this quickly because this update will be part of the Patch Tuesday cumulative updates in July, so they need to do something about it. So if you're looking at the patch updates, the bug fixing, the release preview as they call them, and you don't see them, well, probably normal. They've been pulled by Microsoft on Windows 11. Windows 10 is fine. Apparently Windows 10 is still going on. It's really just Windows 11 that is affected right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.